Dollar Tree just got some seriously useful home finds, and a few are worth grabbing before they disappear. From clever kitchen organizers and cleaning essentials to everyday household upgrades, we're counting down 12 finds you'll want to buy now plus 4 products I'd leave on the shelf. Clear rotating kitchen turntable. If your kitchen cabinets or counters always seem to get crowded, the clear rotating kitchen turntable is one of those small Dollar Tree finds that can make everyday organization much easier. The rotating design lets you bring bottles, spices, sauces, or pantry items toward you instead of reaching behind everything. Similar clear rotating organizers can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The clear design is another nice touch because you can see what's stored without pulling everything out. You can also use it outside the kitchen for bathroom products, beauty supplies, or cleaning items. It's especially helpful in smaller spaces where every bit of organization matters. If you spot the clear rotating kitchen turntable for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Ceramic fragrance warmer. If you like your home to smell fresh without spending a lot on decor, the ceramic fragrance warmer is a Dollar Tree find worth checking out. Its ceramic design gives it a more decorative look, so it can fit nicely on a bathroom counter, bedroom dresser, entryway table, or living room shelf. Similar ceramic fragrance warmers can often sell for $8 to $20 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It's also the kind of small home accessory that can make a space feel more finished without taking up much room. Before using it, make sure you read the package directions and follow all safety instructions, especially around heat, children, pets, and flammable materials. If you spot the ceramic fragrance warmer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Dr. Justin. Hands-free neck fan. Hot weather can make everyday tasks uncomfortable, and the hands-free neck fan is a surprisingly practical Dollar Tree find for summer. Instead of holding a fan in your hand, you can wear this around your neck while working, cooking, cleaning, walking, or spending time outside. Similar hands-free neck fans can often sell for $10 to $25 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The compact design also makes it easy to carry in a bag or keep in the car when you want some extra airflow. Before purchasing, check the package for power requirements, charging instructions, and fit. You'll want to make sure it's comfortable enough to wear for your intended use. If you spot the hands-free neck fan for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Over-the-door utility organizer. If you're running out of storage space at home, the over-the-door utility organizer is a simple Dollar Tree find that can give you extra storage without taking up valuable floor or counter space. It can be useful for bathrooms, closets, bedrooms, laundry rooms, or even small apartments. Similar over-the-door organizers can often sell for $10 to $25 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can use it for lightweight cleaning supplies, toiletries, accessories, craft supplies, or other small household items that tend to clutter your counters. Before buying, check the dimensions and weight recommendations to make sure it will work with your door. For small spaces, though, using vertical storage can make a surprisingly big difference. If you spot the over-the-door utility organizer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Cooking Concepts Potato Masher and Can Opener. The Cooking Concepts Potato Masher and Can Opener is one of those simple kitchen finds that may not look exciting, but you can end up reaching for it regularly. The potato masher is useful for mashed potatoes, soft vegetables, and other foods, while the can opener gives you another everyday kitchen essential in the same product. Similar basic kitchen tools can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. It can also be handy for a starter kitchen, dorm room, apartment, or as a replacement when an older utensil wears out. Before buying, check the handle and construction to make sure it feels comfortable and sturdy enough for regular use. If you spot the Cooking Concepts Potato Masher and Can Opener for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Food Storage Container with Built-in Strainer. The food storage container with built-in strainer is a smart little kitchen find because it combines storage with a feature that can make draining or rinsing certain foods easier. Instead of reaching for a separate colander, the built-in strainer can help with foods like fruit, vegetables, or other items you want to rinse and store. Similar food storage containers with built-in straining features can often sell for $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The container can also help keep your refrigerator more organized by giving leftovers and prepared foods their own dedicated space. Before using it, check the package for microwave, dishwasher, and temperature instructions, since not every plastic container is designed for every type of use. If you spot the fruit storage container with built-in strainer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Clear glass tumblers. The clear glass tumblers are a simple Dollar Tree find, but they're the kind of everyday item that can be surprisingly useful. Their clean, clear design works with almost any kitchen style, making them suitable for water, iced tea, lemonade, juice, or serving guests. Similar clear glass tumblers can often sell for $6 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. You can pick up several to build a matching set, replace older glasses, or simply keep a few extras available when guests come over. They're also useful beyond everyday drinks. You can even use them for simple desserts or other serving ideas. Just handle them carefully because glass can break. If you spot the clear glass tumblers for $1.25, grab the number you need before they're gone. Cooking Concepts Bamboo Utensils. The Cooking Concepts Bamboo Utensils are a simple kitchen upgrade that can come in handy for everyday cooking. Whether you're stirring, mixing, serving, or preparing meals, having a few extra utensils around can be useful, especially when your current kitchen tools are starting to look worn out. Similar bamboo kitchen utensils can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The natural bamboo look also gives your utensil collection a warmer, more traditional appearance, while the lightweight design makes them easy to keep in a drawer or utensil holder. Before using them, check the package for cleaning and care instructions, since bamboo generally needs different care than plastic or metal utensils. If you spot the Cooking Concepts bamboo utensils for $1.25, grab the pieces you need before they're gone. Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven. The Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven is easily one of the most attention-grabbing finds on this list. Lodge is a well-known cookware brand, and a 5.5-quart enameled Dutch oven can be useful for soups, stews, braising, baking, and slow-cooking meals. Similar enameled cast iron Dutch ovens can often cost well over $50 at major retailers, so finding this one at a discounted price could be an exceptional deal. However, don't automatically assume it's a $1.25 Dollar Tree item. Check the actual shelf price, because a product like this could be priced differently from regular Dollar Tree merchandise. The larger size also means you'll want to consider storage space and weight before buying. If you spot the Lodge 5.5Q Enameled Cast Iron Dutch Oven, check the price carefully and grab it if the deal works for you. Clorox Foaming Bathroom Cleaner. The Clorox Foaming Bathroom Cleaner is the kind of Dollar Tree find that can be genuinely useful because bathroom cleaner is something most households go through regularly. And getting a recognizable cleaning brand at a low price makes this one worth checking. Similar Clorox bathroom cleaning products can often sell for $4 to $8 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The foaming formula can be convenient for routine cleaning around appropriate bathroom surfaces, including sinks, tubs, showers, and other areas listed on the label. Before using it, always read the instructions and follow the manufacturer's directions. Never mix cleaning products unless the label specifically says it is safe. For anyone who regularly cleans their bathroom, this is a practical product rather than just another random Dollar Tree find. If you spot the Clorox Foaming Bathroom Cleaner for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. MTO Oil Sprayer. The MTO Oil Sprayer is a useful little kitchen gadget for anyone who wants more control over how much oil they use while cooking. Instead of pouring directly from a bottle, a sprayer can make it easier to lightly coat a pan, roast vegetables, prepare salads, or add a small amount of oil to food. Similar kitchen oil sprayers can often sell for $8 to $18 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. Its compact size also means it won't take up much space on your counter or in a kitchen drawer. Before using it, check the package instructions for compatible oils, cleaning recommendations, and proper operation. Different sprayers can work differently, so following the directions is important. If you spot the MTO Oil Sprayer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Silicone Sink Strainer. The Silicone Sink Strainer is one of those small kitchen finds that can solve an annoying everyday problem. It helps catch food particles and other debris before they make their way farther into the drain, which can make cleanup easier and help keep your sink area more manageable. Similar silicone sink strainers can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an incredible bargain. The flexible silicone design also makes it easy to remove when you need to empty or clean it, and its compact size means it won't take up much space. Before buying, check the size and shape to make sure it fits your particular sink drain. For such a simple kitchen accessory, it can be surprisingly useful once you have one. If you spot the silicone sink strainer for $1.25, grab one before it's gone. Thin aluminum foil. The thin aluminum foil may seem like an easy kitchen bargain, but this is one product where I'd pay attention to the quality before adding it to your cart. Aluminum foil is useful for cooking, covering leftovers, wrapping food, and lining certain surfaces, but very thin foil can tear more easily during everyday use. Similar aluminum foil can often sell for $4 to $8 major retailers, while Dollar Tree offers its version for around $1.25, but the lower price doesn't always mean better value. Check the roll length and thickness before buying, especially if you normally use foil for heavier foods or cooking tasks. If you only need lightweight foil for occasional covering or storage, it may still work fine. But if durability matters, you may be better off spending a little more on a thicker roll. If the thin aluminum foil feels too flimsy for your needs, I'd skip it and save your $1.25 for a better find. Blue light blocking reading glasses. The blue light blocking reading glasses may look like an easy Dollar Tree bargain, especially if you spend a lot of time reading or using screens. But with reading glasses, the right strength and comfortable fit matter much more than simply getting the lowest price. Similar non-prescription reading glasses can often sell for $5 to $20 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an inexpensive option. If you already know the magnification you need, and the glasses fit comfortably, they can be useful as an extra pair for your desk, purse, or bedside table. However, don't buy them just because they're cheap if the strength doesn't feel right. Check the magnification, fit, and lens condition before purchasing. If the blue light blocking reading glasses fit your needs for $1.25, they may be worth grabbing, but if the strength isn't right, I'd skip them. High-performance athletic socks. The high-performance athletic socks may look like an easy $1.25 pickup, but socks are one of those everyday products where comfort and durability really matter. If the material is too thin, the elastic stretches quickly, or the fit isn't comfortable, you could end up replacing them sooner than expected. Similar athletic crew socks can often sell for $5 to $12 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price an inexpensive option. Before buying, check the fabric blend, thickness, stitching, and size to make sure they feel suitable for everyday use. If you already have plenty of athletic socks at home, there may also be little reason to buy another pair just because the price is low. If the high-performance athletic socks feel comfortable and well-made for $1.25, they may be worth grabbing. But if the quality doesn't impress you, I'd skip them. Gnome Cosmetics and Skincare. The Gnome Cosmetics and Skincare products can definitely be tempting when you're browsing Dollar Tree's beauty section. But this is one category where I'd slow down before buying. A low price is nice, but skincare and cosmetics are very personal, and ingredients, skin type, and product condition can make a big difference. Similar budget cosmetics and skincare products can often sell for $5 to $15 at major retailers, making Dollar Tree's $1.25 price inexpensive, but not automatically the better value. Check the ingredient list, packaging, expiration information when provided, and make sure the product is appropriate for your routine. If you already know and like the specific product, it could still be worth trying. But buying unfamiliar skincare simply because it's cheap isn't always the smartest Dollar Tree strategy. If you haven't checked the ingredients or don't need another beauty product, I'd skip the Gnome Cosmetics and Skincare and save your $1.25.